Good morning students. Now we are going to start self practice 10. Before starting 10th we should know the theorem. What is the theorem? Theorem for exterior angle. Okay. So what is there in the exterior angle? The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of its interior opposite angle. See, the sum of angle 1 and angle 2 will be equal to angle x. Okay, the sum of angle 1 and 2 will be equal to angle x, because the sum of both the angles of a triangle should be equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of a triangle should be equal to 180 degree, means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, it should be equal to 180 degree. Okay, and we know that angle 3 plus angle x is also equal to 180 degree, because it is on a straight line. Okay, it is on a straight line. So what do we have? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, both are equal, so you can write angle 3 plus angle x. So what do you see? This angle 3 will be cancel out, the angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to angle x. What is there? That the sum of two interior angles of a triangle should be equal to the third exterior angle. Okay. Now, what is there? We have to solve some questions based on this theorem. Okay. Now, let us see. See question number 1, 10th B. Self practice 10B. Question number 1. To see what is there in question number 1. Name the interior opposite angles in Now, question first, A part. ACS. Name the interior opposite angle in the figure associated with the exterior angle. So what is your ACS? Means this triangle ACS. So what are its opposite exterior angle? Opposite interior angle, angle A and angle B. Okay, this both angles are coming opposite to angle ACS. Same way, see the B part, RBA, which is opposite angles, RBA. The opposite to this will be which one? Angle A and angle C. Angle A and angle C. Now see the C part. TAB. 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 Which is the opposite angle? TAB. The angle B and angle C. Now see D part. QBC. QBC. So QBC, which are opposite? Angle A and angle C. Angle A and angle C. Now E part. PAC. PAC, which are opposite angles to PAC? Angle B and angle C. And F part. In F part, BCU. BCU downside, which are opposite AB, angle A and angle B. Okay, so these are the different types of exterior angle formed within a triangle of the opposite interior angles. Okay students, now see question number 2. find the unknown marked angle. In question number 2, what is there? Find the unknown marked angle. Now see question number 2, A part. You see, opposite to A 68 and 67 degree is given. So what will be angle A? So here angle A degree will be equal to 67 degree plus 68 degree, 135 degree. Okay. B part. Sum of opposite angles of a triangle should be equal to the third exterior angle. Angle B degree. So B degree. So you can say that 46 degree plus B degree is equal to 119 degree, because it should be equal to the third opposite exterior. So B degree will be equal to 119 degree minus 46 degree. So 9 minus 6 3, 11 minus 4 7, which is equal to 73 degree. Okay, 119 minus 46, that is equal to 73 degree. Now see the C part. So 59 degree plus C degree is equal to 125 degree. So what will be C degree? 125 degree minus 59 degree. 15 minus 9 6 and 11 minus 5 6. So how much it will be equal to? 66 degree. So 59 degree plus C degree is equal to 125 degree. So C will be equal to 125 degree minus 59 degree, that is equal to 66 degree. Okay. Now see the D part. 24 degree plus B degree is equal to 88 degree. So D degree will be equal to 88 degree minus 24 degree. You will have 64 degree. Okay. Now see the E part. How much you will get? 64 degree. Now see the question number 3. Okay. D part. Now see question number 3. Is it clear up to here? See the E part of it. Third part. So what is there in third part? See here in third part they are given with the variables. Okay. So when it is given with the variables, you will form an equation and then you will solve it. Now see, angle P plus angle R will be equal to angle P plus angle R is equal to angle PQS. Okay. Now the PQS is 30 degree. 5x minus 2 plus 4x plus 15. Okay. 5x minus 2 plus 4x plus 15 degree. So 5 plus 4, 9x is equal to 30. So it is 130 minus 13. 9x is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7, or 13 minus 12 minus 1 11. X will be equal to 117 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 3s are x is equal to 13 degree. So what will be angle R? So angle R is equal to 4x plus 15 means 4 into 13 plus 15. 52 plus 15, which is equal to 67 degree. Angle R will be equal to 67 degree. Okay. So angle P plus angle R is equal to angle PQS. So 5x minus 2 plus 4x plus 15 is equal to 130 degree. 5 plus 4, 9x is equal to 130 minus 13, that is 117 degree. So x is equal to 117 by 9, that is 13 degree. And angle R is equal to 4x plus 15 means 4 into 13 plus 15, that is 52 plus 15, that is equal to 67 degree. So what will be the value of R here? 67 degree. Now let's come to solve question number 4. See, in question number 4, find angle ACD. Find angle ACD. So what you will have? Angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ACD. Okay? The angle A is how much given? 3x plus 5, and angle B, it is a mark of 90 degree, which is equal to 7x minus 9. Okay, so 7x minus 9 minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 90 degree. The 7x minus 3x, 4x minus 14 is equal to 90 degree. So 4x is equal to 90 plus 14, which is equal to 104 degree. So x is equal to 104 divided by 4. 4 2 is 8, 4 6 is 24. X is equal to 26 degree. So what will be angle ACD? Angle ACD is equal to 7x minus 9 means 26 into 7 minus 9. 7 6 are 42, carry 4, 7 is 14, 18. Minus 9. 173. So what will be triangle ACD? 173 degree. Sorry, it is plus 9. Minus 6. 54. 54 by 2. That is 42. 40. सही दिख रहा है। The angle A plus B will be ACD. 3x plus 5 plus 90 is equal to 7x minus 9. 7x minus 9 minus 3x minus 5. 7 minus 3, 4x minus 14, which is equal to 90. 4x is equal to 104 degree. And what will be the value of x here? 26 degree. The angle ACD will be equal to 7x minus 9 means 26 into 7 minus 9, that is 182 minus 9, that is 173 degree. Now see question number 5. Now see question number 5. What is there in question number 5? Find the unknown marked angles without using the angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, without using angle sum properties of a triangle. So firstly you have to find angle A. First part, angle A is equal to 32 degree plus 62 degree. Okay, which is angle A is equal to 494 degree. Okay, because the sum of two interior angles is equal to the third exterior angle, so 32 plus 62, that is equal to 94 degree. Now what is your angle B? Angle B, sorry, angle C you can find. Angle B is equal to 180 degree minus angle A, that is 180 degree minus 94 degree or 96 degree. So what will be your angle B? Sorry, 86 degree. What will be your angle B? 86 degree. Okay. What is angle A? 94 degree. Angle B is 96 degree. And what will be angle C? 86 degree plus 32 degree. So 8 and 8 plus 3 11. So how much you will get? 180 degree. Okay. The angle A is 94, angle B 86 degree, and angle C is 118 degree. Now see B part. What is there in B? Angle P degree is equal to 43 degree plus 90 degree. 9 plus 4 30. So P will be equal to 133 degree. Angle this is 43 and this is 90 degree. 90 plus 43, that is 133 degree. The angle P is equal to 133 degree. Now if angle P is 133 degree, so what will be angle Q? So angle Q is equal to 180 degree minus 133 degree, which is equal to 47 degree. So your angle Q will be equal to 47 degree. What is angle R equal to? Angle R is equal to angle R is equal to Q plus 43, means 47 degree plus 43 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle R will be equal to 90 degree, means 47 degree plus 43 degree. 7 plus 3 10, 4 plus 4 8 1 9, which is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now see the C part. See the C part. Now in C1 you see this side is drawn and this side. This is your 65 degree. Okay, this is your 48 degree, and this one is your V, this is U, and this is U. And this is also parallel. So you can say that this is also, what it will be, as these two lines are parallel, so I am naming it 1, 2, 3. The angle 1 is equal to 48 degree. Okay, and angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Angle U is equal to 180 minus 48, that is 10 minus 8 2, 7 minus 4 3, 130 degree. angle u will be equal to 132 degree. Okay, when angle u is equal to 132 degree, so what will be angle v? What will be your angle v? Two values are defined, u and v. The u you have got it. What will be your angle v? 132 degree minus 65 degree is equal to angle v. The angle v is equal to 12 minus 5 7 and 12 minus 6 6. So 67 degree. Okay, v will be equal to 67 degree. Okay, u is 132 degree and v is equal to 67 degree. Okay, now see the last part of it, that is part D. What is there in this part? This is 50 degree. Okay, this is 25 degree. Okay, this one you have to find x. This and this are parallel. When this is 50, so this will be also equal to 50 degree, because when the two parallel lines is cut by transversal, the opposite side of the transversal are equal 50 degree and 50 degree because of alternate angle. Now, so what will be, if this is 50, this is 50, this is 25, the angle x is equal to 50 plus 25, that is equal to 75 degree. Your x will be equal to 75 degree. Okay students, now see the last question, that is question number 6. Now question 6a part. (72 degree is given, 4x is given, 5x is given. Now see, you will have 5x plus 4x is equal to 72 degree, because you see one alternate angle is being formed. So what you will get? 9x is equal to 72 degree. So x is equal to 8 degree. Okay, x is equal to 8 degree. Now see the b part. Sum of all angles of a triangle should be equal to 180 degree. So 2x plus 4x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. So 4, 5, 6, 9x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 by 9, that is equal to 20 degree. So here x is equal to 20 degree. Now see the C part. So inside interior angle will be how much? 180 minus 108, that is equal to 72 degree. Okay, 4x plus 72 degree is equal to 7x. 7x minus 4x is equal to 72 degree. 3x is equal to 72 degree. And x will be 72 by 3. 3 to the 6 and 3 4 the 12. How much will be your x here? 24 degree. Means 72 by 3, that is 24 degree. Now see the D part of it. D part of it. 4x plus 90 degree is equal to 9x. So 9x minus 4x is equal to 90 degree. 5x is equal to 90 and x is equal to 90 by 5. 5 is 5, 5 is 40. 18 degree. What is the value of x here? 18 degree. Okay students, that's all for today, and thank you and have a good day. Thank you students.